Now we want to create grid. We copy this plan. Excuse me, in this file we copy the grid and okay. We copy and paste the script to new DWG file, drawing 2. We delete it and remove Ethereum. Excuse me, extend. Okay. Now we select all the line and move it to 0 point. And move we okay. We create 2 new layers. Grid point X and grid point Y. We set the color and for X grid okay, and Y grid okay. Excuse me, Y. Good boy. Okay. We save this file. Grid. Okay. And We go to Dynamo and bottom up foundation. We don't need. We click E and H to hide this element and run Dynamo player. Now we insert WG file for grid workshop and grid. Yes, we select input unit. This is the materials and okay, as you can see all the WG file created inserted by select the WG that's inserted in our Revit file and I want reverse grid data locations and we write layer of X grid and for Y. Okay, we're ready to create grid. Oh, as you can see, all of the grid created. That's good. If you like this video, like and comment and subscribe this channel. Bye.